Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with Asus Rog Phone 7. And to do this, we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case I chose the settings. Now make sure you're on top of the page and click on the power key and volume down key at the same time. This should make a normal screenshot, and on this pop-up you can see the arrow pointing it down. Click on it and keep clicking on it until you reach the bottom of the page or you're satisfied with the amount of your screenshot. As you can see right here on the pop-up, it keeps increasing and we just reached the bottom and we can click on that screenshot. Here it's in a full page and we can click on this switch to save it to our gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.